everybody, welcome to my channel. My name is Camille Pearl, and here on my YouTube channel I post beauty and lifestyle videos. So today's video is going to kind of be a demo and review. I picked up from bareMinerals the Flawless Complexion Essentials. So you get this whole box and it has 8 pieces in it, and they also customize it for what you are looking for your skin. So I did like the whole thing where they, put it on my face and everything, and so then these are the 8 things that I choose. I think 4 of them you get no matter what, and then 4 of them are customizable. So today I'm going to be putting on a full face of bareMinerals makeup. A few things I have had to substitute because I chose the bronzer in this, so I had to also grab a blush and a highlight just from my collection, and of course mascara and a few different brushes and things like that. So yeah, if you want to see me putting on the Flawless Complexion Essentials from bareMinerals, just keep watching. First of all, I love the box that it comes in. I'm actually going to use this for something because it's really nice and sturdy packaging. And inside there's 2 compartments, but they also come out. So that's really cool. I don't know what I'm going to use this box for, but I'm excited to use it for something. So I'm going to start with the primer. This is something that comes in the box, and you don't get to pick this. Everybody gets the same one. This is the bareMinerals Prime Time Original Foundation Primer. So I'm just going to, this is very silicone-y, it's clear. So I'm going to mostly put that in my T-zone and where I have pores right here next to my nose. I'm also sweating. I don't know why. Well, I do have hot coffee. Maybe that's why. So just to give you background, the reason that I picked up this full kit was just because for the summer I really wanted to change up my makeup and use more powders instead of liquids, because I just felt in the hot sun I sweat it all off and it doesn't look good and it's too cakey, and I'm just looking for something light where my freckles can show through and things like that. So I am going to go in with the bareMinerals Bare Pro Performance Wear Powder Foundation. So it looks like this, and I got mine in the shade Cashmere 06. So this was something that was color matched to me, as well as the foundation brush that I got with it. I look for more full coverage, so I picked up the what is this called? The Precision Face Brush. So all I'm going to do is swirl this around in the foundation and start putting it on. And if you can hear tearing sounds in the background, my dog's just eating a tissue, so it's fine. And this is very buildable. You don't have to use as much as I'm doing. You can use more than I'm using, so it all depends on what you want. Okay, so that is my face with just the foundation on it. Next, I'm going to go in with concealer, which I was also shade matched for, and I also chose a powder, like I said. So this is the bareMinerals Multitasking Concealer, and it also has SPF 20, so that's pretty cool. And I got mine in the shade Bisque, so it's a little pot like this, and this is loose as compared to the foundation. So I think all I have to do is tap it into the top, and you got a concealer brush in the kit. Looks like this. This is the bareMinerals Max Coverage Concealer, and I'm just going to use this mostly around my eyes. I have these weird tan circles around my eyes. They're not dark circles from not sleeping, but they're just I think from squinting. I don't know, I just get a weird tan line there, so I'm using this concealer to attempt to cover those up. And it really is a lot of coverage for being powder. I'm just used to using like translucent powder, and this is obviously completely different because it does have pigment in it, and you know, that's like the point, obviously. So that's the concealer on. You can still kind of see like the circles a little bit, but I don't mind that as much. So next in the kit, I chose a bronzer. There were a few choices for bronzer, and you didn't actually have to choose a bronzer. I think you had a choice between a bronzer, definitely you could have picked a blush, and I think you might have been able to pick a highlight as well. I went for the bronzer. So I got the bareMinerals Invisible Bronze in medium. So it looks like this. It's very pretty. So I'm going to use the Flawless Face Brush that comes in the kit. Everybody gets this. And I'm just going to bronze up my face. And you can go light-handed with this, or you can pack it on like I am. I hope you can't tell how truly sweaty I am, like in this video. Okay, so next I'm just going to finish up my face quickly. I'm going to put on blush and highlighter, and then I will be right back, and I will be using another bareMinerals product that I got in this kit. So just hold on a minute while I finish up my face. So the next and last item that you get in the box, everybody gets this, it's not customizable, is the bareMinerals Mineral Veil, which is kind of like their setting powder. And you are supposed to use this once everything is done. So once your bronzer, blush, highlight, obviously your concealer and your foundation, that's when you're gonna want to use this, just to kind of set everything in place. So just like the concealer, I just tapped a little bit into the cap, and I'm going to be using a different brush. This one does not come in the kit, but you can always use the Flawless Face Brush that they give you. So just going to swirl this around in there and tap it off, and mostly put it like in my T-zone here. And my sweaty upper lip. And I like how you can use this after even highlight, and it doesn't really take away any of the, like, you know, bling from the highlight. Just kind of like sets everything down. I was very serious about the sweaty upper lip too. And they have these nice, the packaging is like a strainer type thing, but you can close it. So I really like that. And then you can put the top back on as well. So I'm going to finish on my face. I'm just gonna add brows, mascara, and lipstick. And then I will be all done, and I will come back to give you a review of all the bareMinerals products that I've been using. Okay, so this is the final result. I just added brows, mascara, and lips. So I obviously didn't do anything like super crazy. This is just like a simple everyday type of look. And I'm really impressed with the bareMinerals products that I picked up, at least the ones that came in this kit and the ones that I picked out for my skin tone and my skin type. I'm really enjoying. Like, I like how everything looks natural. Like, you can still see my freckles through the foundation. You can still see my like little weird circles under my eyes, but they're not as pronounced as if I don't have foundation on. And it kind of mattifies the skin, but I added highlight obviously to put a little glow back in, and some of it's naturally I'm very sweaty. So that's always a good thing. And I always feel like I have lipstick on my teeth. Yeah, I really like all these products. I think my favorite so far is definitely the foundation that I got. So I picked up the one that is a solid powder instead of a loose powder, and I really like it so far. I think they shade matched me well, and I really like the kind of coverage it gives. I'm interested to see if I can make this even more full coverage, so we'll have to see about that. But I will leave a link down below if you want to purchase this whole kit. You can do it online, but I would recommend going into a store and getting shade matched, just because you have no idea when you pick out things online what shade you truly are. Like, I would not have bought, I wanted to buy this online, but I was like, nope, I need to wait until I can go into like the bareMinerals store and get shade matched and everything. So, but once I did that, I feel like I'm really impressed with what I have so far. So yeah, if you want to see more of me, make sure you check out my blog and my other videos. Make sure you subscribe and like this video, and I will see you in next week's video. Bye!